The operation is repeated until the hole is nibbled out. We have changed to coordinate rail number 3 and are now nibbling 2 cuts and making hole markings for 19 punchings. The 4th coordinate rail is fitted and we make hole marks for 28 punchings. To make a template of this size with correct dimensioning of the internal positioning of the holes is both time-consuming and expensive without the aid of the automatic coordinate lock. In order to simplify further work, we have marked in color the positions in which the various tools shall be used. The template is fitted to the template table, and when the requisite tools have been put out, then the manufacture of the panel begins. With a round 8mm nibbling punch fitted to the machine, we punch all 8mm holes and nibble all contours. During nibbling and punching from the template, we use the copy control, which has an 8 or 10mm tracer pin. This helps us to follow a contour or find a hole marking. During nibbling, the tracer pin shall always correspond to the dimension of the nibbling punch if hole marking is to be the same. The copy control is adjustable and is released from the template by turning the handle. There are a large variety of tools for work with facsimile. For copy and coordination nibbling, there are round 8 and 10mm reversible punches. There are also 7mm square punches for coordinate nibbling when sharp corners are necessary. In addition to the nibbling punches, there are hole punches and dies, 3 to 15mm round and 3 to 12mm square. The punches are mounted in the punch holder, which has 8 and 10mm exchangeable spring collets. They can, where appropriate, be fitted with preset nuts. The corresponding dies are fitted in die holders, as the tool holder is dimensioned for hole punch dies up to 50mm. Pre-fitted dies enable quicker tool change. This setting fixture can be used so that the square dies, 3 to 12mm, will come parallel to the coordinate table. We now change to a 5mm punch to nibble 3 tracks, 5 by 34mm, for hinge and lock handle. The guard for the upper tool prevents the punch being handled during operation. The power is cut and movement stops when the guard is opened. The guard also serves as a stripper during punching and nibbling. The rapid tool change in Facsimile 2000 is the result of the design of the lower tool holder. We have now changed to a 4mm punch and punch 20 holes. The upper tool movement from neutral to working position is controlled either by hand or by foot pedal. During repeated punching, the work